friends. Hello, friends. My name is Miss Audrey. Hello, friends. Clap your hands. Stomp your feet. Yay! You're ready. Oh my, do you hear that? Can you hear that? Hello! It's our friend, Sunny the storm cloud. Say, hello, Sunny. Hello, Sunny. Sunny is a happy cloud. Happy cloud. But, oh no, Sunny has lost his rainbow. Can you help Sunny find the colors of the rainbow? Yay! Thank you! Let's go on a rainbow adventure together. Our first color we're going to help Sunny find is red. Can you say red? Sunny says his first color is red. Red like an apple. Or red like a fire truck. Can you point to something red? Wow, you helped Sunny get red. Let's tap red together 3 times. Tap, tap, tap. Sunny says he feels happier already finding red. Good job. Our next color we're going to help Sunny find is orange. Orange. Orange like an orange. Yummy, yummy. I love oranges. Or orange like a pumpkin. Can you pretend to peel an orange with me? Peel, peel, peel. Taste your orange. Yummy. Wiggle for orange. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Can you wiggle with me? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Good job, friends. Our next color is yellow. Can you say yellow? I can see the color yellow. Yellow like the sun. Or yellow like a banana. Can you stretch up like the sun? Ooh, arms up. Big stretch. Good job. Ooh, can you quack like a yellow duck? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Sunny says, you are doing great. He already has 3 of his colors. Yellow, orange, and red. Our next color is green. Sunny needs green. Green like grass. Wow. Or green like a frog. Can you say frog? What does a frog say? Ribbit, ribbit. Can you hop like a frog? Hop, hop, hop. Whisper the word green. Green. Sunny says that feels nice and calm. Our next color is blue. Can you say blue? Look, blue is floating in. Wow, blue like the sky. Blue like the ocean. Can you do a wave like the ocean? Wave, wave, wave. Catch the ocean ball. Catch the beach ball. Wow. Now I'm going to bounce it to you. Bounce. Good catch, friends. Splashy blue in an ocean is fun. Our next color is purple. Can you say purple? Purple. Purple like grapes. Yum, yum, yum. Purple like a butterfly. Look at the butterfly. Can you flutter like a butterfly? Clap for purple. Clap for purple. Wow, you helped Sunny get all of the colors. Look how happy he is now that he has his rainbow. Sunny has all of the colors now. You made Sunny so happy. Sunny has red, like a fire truck. Orange, like an orange. Yellow, like a duck. Green, like grass. Blue, like the ocean. Purple, like a butterfly. You did it! His rainbow is back. Do you have a favorite color? Great job! Sunny is going to float away and he's going to wave hi. Say hi, Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Let's say goodbye now to Sunny. Bye, Sunny. Bye, Sunny. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Thank you for helping Sunny today. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Thank you for helping Sunny today. You were so helpful in getting Sunny all of his rainbow colors. Do you remember what the colors of the rainbow were? What was the colors of the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, blue, purple, green. Good job. You were so helpful today. Remember to always stay curious, and we will see you next time, friends. Bye, friends. Can you wave goodbye to me and friends? Bye, friends. Thank you again for helping Sunny today. Good job.